Okay. And you see this problem number 16. From problem number 16 to end problem, I'll solve during this online class. And also solve the case studies based on this partnership. Thereafter, I'll take some examples based on ATG calculation and set off and carry forward losses. Okay. So today you see the example exercise number 16. Please don't disturb in the middle. If you are not interested, you can leave the class, but you don't disturb in the middle. Okay, it is a revision class. It is not my regular class. Already I completed your syllabus. That is enough to you people. Problem number 16, H, S, and I. There are three partners sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 3:2:1. Sharing profit ratio is not useful in your income tax. Then capitals of the partner shows a credit balance of 90,000, 60,000, 30,000. First partner capital is 90,000, second partner capital 60,000, and third partner capital 30,000. So the total capital is 90,000 plus 6,000 plus 30,000. I think it is 1,80,000. 1,80,000 is the total capital of the firm. The following is the profit and loss account of the firm for the year ending 31st March 2021. You see the P&L account debit side. P&L account debit side expenses are there, and net profit is 75,000. This 75,000 is shared between all the three partners according to their profit sharing ratio. Okay. Then credit side, gross profit, interest on post office SB, interest on foreign government security, then recovery of bad debt. These are the credit side items. And adjustments on sundry expense include rupees 5,000, which is paid to poor students. 5,000 rupee in the sundry expense is not related to business. That is the amount paid to poor students. Amount paid to poor students is not a expense of business. Therefore, 5,000 you disallow. 5,000 rupee you disallow. And depreciation allowable as per rules is rupees 5,000. As per rules, depreciation is 5,000 allowable. But in your P&L account, you shown 7,000 rupee depreciation. 7,000 is the depreciation shown in the P&L account. 5,000 is allowed by the income tax department. So 2,000 depreciation charged is disallowed. Okay, 2,000 disallowed. Then out of bad debt recovered, 5,000 was disallowed. 5,000 bad debt recovered, disallowed previously means previously taxed. And there is no need of levying tax on that 5,000 once again. So 5,000 you have to consider in your calculation. Okay, calculate total income. They have to calculate total income. So first of all, you take net profit as per your P&L account. Okay, what is the net profit as per your P&L account? Net profit as per P&L account is 75,000. So you take 75,000 net profit. Okay, 75,000 is the net profit. 75,000 is your net profit. And then add disallowed expenses. In the disallowed expenses, salary to staff is allowable. Second is salary to partner, HSI. Total salary is 50,000, partner salary. This 50,000 is disallowed. So disallowed salary is 50,000. Okay. 50,000 disallowed. Then office expense allowable. Interest on capital. Interest on capital, HSI total is 27,000. Out of this 27,000 interest on capital, 12% of capital is allowable. So capital is 90,000, 60,000 plus 30,000. Capital of the partner is 1,80,000. Total capital of the firm is 1,80,000. If you calculate interest on capital on 1,80,000 into 12%, if you calculate 12%, your interest is, I think, 21,600. You check that. 21,600. Am I right? 1,80,000 into 12%. 1,80,000 is the capital on that 12%.
21,600.
Right? 21,600 is allowable. But in the P&L account, 27,000 is the interest. So out of 7,000, 21,600 is allowable, and remaining is, I think, 5,400. 5,400 is disallowed. Okay, 5,400 disallowed. Interest on capital. Sundry expense. 10,000 is the sundry expense. Out of this 10,000 sundry expense, 5,000 is not related. 5,000 is paid to poor students. So 5,000 is disallowed. Okay. 5,000 is disallowed. Next item is depreciation. 7,000 is the depreciation. Out of 7,000, 5,000 is allowable as per second adjustment. So disallowed is 2,000. Out of 7,000, 2,000 is disallowed. Okay. 2,000 is disallowed. The next is advertisement. Advertisement is a business expense allowable. Income tax is not related, that is disallowed. That is 10,000 rupee income tax, that is disallowed. Okay. Net profit is there. That net profit is related to business, you leave that. Next, you go to adjustment. First adjustment, sundry expense. It is already taken into consideration. Second adjustment, depreciation. This is also taken into consideration. Third adjustment related to income, you have to take at the time of incomes. Okay. So what is the total of these? 50,000 plus 5,400, 5,000 plus 2,000 plus 10,000. If you take the total of this, what is total? I think it is 72,400. Check it. 72,400. $72,400 is the addition. If you add this, your total is 1,47,400. 1,47,400. Then you deduct the other head incomes and allowable expense. In the other head income, First item is interest on POSB account. Interest on POSB account is 3,000. Okay. And second is interest on foreign government security. This is income from other source, 7,000. Okay. Bad debt recovery. Out of 10,000 bad debt recovery, 5,000 is disallowed. So you take 5,000 bad debt disallowed. So total of this is
15,000.
15,000. Okay. If you deduct this 15,000, what is the remaining balance?
1,32,400.
1,32,400. 1,32,400 is called as book profit. Am I right? Book profit. Okay, book profit. In this book profit, you have to give working partner remuneration according to section 40B. According to section 40B, first you have to calculate 90% on the first 3 lakh rupee. Okay, first 3 lakh rupee you have to calculate. That is the book profit. So it is less than 3 lakh rupee. First slab is applicable. On this 1,32,400, you calculate 90%. Okay. And second is actual remuneration paid to working partner. What is the actual remuneration paid to working partner? Who are the working partners in this problem? Yes. HSI are the partners in a firm sharing profits and losses in the ratio of like this. Shown the credit balance. Then who are the working partners? Nothing is given in the problem. Nothing is given in the problem. So you consider all are working partners. All are working partners. So first you calculate 90%. Then working partner salary. Salary given to the working partner is 50,000. 50,000, 90% or 1,50,000, whichever is less. First step. Sorry, whichever is more. 90% of book profit or 1,50,000, whichever is more. First point. Second point is actual remuneration. Actual remuneration given to the partner is salary is the only one item. Salary is the only one item. Total salary given is 50,000. So if you deduct that 50,000 salary given, 50,000 is the small amount. So your income from business is, I think it is 82,400. 82,400 is called as business income. Business income. Okay, business income. And next you see there other head incomes. In the other head incomes, interest on POSB is there, that is exempted from tax up to 3,500, so fully exempted. Interest on foreign government security is there 7,000. This 7,000 comes in other source. So income from other source is 7,000. 7,000. Okay. If you take the total of the two head, your income is 89,400. 89,400 is the gross total income. In the gross total income, you have to give deductions. There is no deduction at all. There is no deduction. Ili ಯಾವ deduction ಇಲ್ಲ. So 89,400 is the GTI, and this is the income from, sorry, gross total income. This is the total income. Okay. Just answer number one. So you see the solution. Computation of total income from the firm for the assessment year 2021-22. Net profit as per P&L account is 75,000. Add disallowed expenses. First is salary to partner 50,000. Now, ಒಂದ ಬರ್ದೇನಿ ನೀವೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ ಮೂರು ಮಂದಿ ಹೆಸರು ಹಾಕಿ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಮುಂದೆ ತಗೋರಿ. First partner salary, second partner salary, third partner salary, you write in the inner column, take the total to outer column. Second disallowed is interest on capital. Total interest on capital is 27,000 less allowable interest. Allowable interest is 1,80,000 into 12 by 100, 21,600. You deduct it. ನೀವು ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಇಂಡಿವಿಜುವಲ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಬ್ಬ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ನರ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ತಗೋರಿ, 12% ಕಳೀರಿ, ಎಷ್ಟು ಉಳಿತೈತೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಬರೀರಿ. ಈ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಅದು ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. So disallowed interest is 5,400. Then third is income tax disallowed 10,000. Next is sundry expense 5,000 given to poor student disallowed. Then next is depreciation 7,000 minus 5,000. 7,000 minus 5,000 is equal to 2,000 disallowed. Okay, these are the disallowed expenses. You take the total of this. This total is the net profit and disallowed expenses. Less allowable expenses and other head incomes. You less. First is bad debt recovered disallowed is 5,000. Second is interest on post office SB 3,000. Third is interest on foreign government security 7,000. These are the three items. So total is 15,000. 15,000 you deduct. Whatever balance remains, that balance is called as book profit. Okay. 1,32,400 is the book profit. Then in this book profit, you deduct the working partner remuneration. You deduct the working partner remuneration. You see the procedure. So book profit is 1,32,400 less working partner remuneration. First point, according to 40B, on first 1,32,400, 90%. 90% or rupees 1,50,000, whichever is more. 90% of book profit or 1,50,000, whichever is more. So if you take that, 90% is 1,19,610, but it is less than 1,50,000. So you take 1,50,000. You take 1,50,000. 90% of this is less than 1,50,000. So 1,50,000 is more. You write 1,50,000. This is as per 40B. Actual remuneration given to the partners is 50,000. That is the salary given to partners. All the three are considered as working partners. If you take the whichever is less, 50,000 is less, then income from business is 82,400. Thereafter, you take next head. Next head is income from other source. In the income from other source, interest on foreign government security. Interest on foreign government security is 7,000. This 7,000 comes under foreign government security. One more item is there, interest on POSB less than 3,500. So that is fully exempted. Okay, so you take 7,000 as income from other source. Then total is 89,400. 89,400 is called as gross total income. 89,400 is the gross total income. And in this gross total income, you deduct 80 deductions. Deduction under section 80. There is no deduction. Therefore, this answer itself is the total income. Okay. This is the question number 16. Now you see the question number 17. In this question number 17, Sri Ram, Hanuman, and Lakshman, three partners are there. Sri Ram is there, Hanuman is there, Lakshman is there. Sri Ram, Hanuman, Lakshman, three partners are there in a business, sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 1/2, 1/3, 1/6 respectively. Okay, respectively. Then this profit sharing ratio is not useful. Sray and profit sharing ratio ನಮಗೆ ಉಪಯೋಗ ಆಗೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಅದು ನಮಗೆ ಬೇಕಾದೇನ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ನರ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಜನ ಇದಾರೋ ಅದರ ವರ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ನರ್ ಯಾರಿದಾರೋ. इसमें वर्किंग पार्टनर कौन है और कितना पार्टनर है, that is the important. So you see the next line, Sri Ram and Hanumant are working partners. This is very important. Sri Ram and Hanumant are working partners. Lakshman is non-working partner. Nothing about Lakshman is there, so Lakshman is non-working partner. Sri Ram and Hanumant are the working partners. Their capitals were 1,50,000, 1 lakh, and last is 50,000. So what is the total capital of the firm? Total capital of the firm is 1,50,000 plus 1 lakh plus 50,000. I think it is 3 lakh. 3 lakh is the capital of the firm. Okay. Then this capital is at the beginning of the year, 1/4/2020. The P&L account of the firm showed a net profit of rupees 2,04,000. P&L account of the firm showed a net profit of rupees 2,04,000. 2,04,000 is the net profit as per P&L account. After debiting the following items. So, if the following items are related with business, then no problem. If the following items are not related to business, you disallow them and consider for calculating the real income from business. Okay. So, salary to the partner is disallowed. First, salary to the partner is disallowed. Second, bonus to the partner is also disallowed. Commission to the partner is disallowed. Interest on capital is allowable up to 12% of capital. More than that, disallowed. Okay. Then rent of building to Sri Ram. Building is related with Sri Ram. Sri Ram is a partner and rent paid to Sri Ram is 48,000. 48,000 rent paid to Sri Ram is allowable as per business rules. Okay, you have to give rent to the partner. If you use the building of the partner, you have to give rent to partner. Okay. Per annum. Fair rent of the same building is 30,000. This is very important. Tita. 48,000 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಬಾಡಿಗೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರಿ. ಮನಿ ಬಾಡಿಗೆ ಕೊಡೋ ತಪ್ಪಲ್ಲ, ಬಿಲ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಬಾಡಿಗೆ ಕೊಡೋ ತಪ್ಪಲ್ಲ, ಸರಿ. ಆದ್ರೆ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ನರ್ ಬಿಲ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಅಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಂಡು 40,000 ರೂಪಾಯಿ 48,000 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಬಾಡಿಗೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರಿ. ಆದ್ರೆ ಅಂತದೇ ಬಿಲ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಬಾಡಿಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟಿದ್ರೆ 30,000 ರೂಪಾಯಿದಾಗ ಸಿಗ್ತದೆ. ಅಂತ ಬಿಲ್ಡಿಂಗ್ 30,000 ರೂಪಾಯಿದಾಗ ಬಾಡಿಗೆ ಸಿಗುವಾಗ 48,000 ರೂಪಾಯಿ ಬಾಡಿಗೆ ಯಾಕೆ ಕೊಟ್ರಿ? This is the objection by the income tax officer. So whatever excess paid, that is the disallowed. Out of 48,000, 30,000 is allowable. Pay rent is allowable. Excess paid is disallowed. Sare ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಟುಕೋ. Disallow ಆಗ್ತೈತೆ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ತರ disallow ಎಷ್ಟಾಯ್ತು? 48,000 ದಾಗ 30,000 allowable. 18,000 disallow ಆಗ್ತೈತೆ. Legal charges for drawing the partnership deed rupees 2,000. Partnership deed is a capital related asset, so it is not a revenue expense. This is disallowed. Idu disallow ಆಗ್ತೈತೆ. Donation to the fund established by state government for providing medical relief to poor. This donation is also not related. You first disallow. Disallow ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. ಈ donation na ನೀವು calculate ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು. This donation comes under first category. 100% qualify, 100% deduction ಕೊಡ್ತೈತಿ. State government for providing medical relief to poor. First category ಒಳಗೆ ಬರ್ತೈತಿ. 100% qualify ಆಗ್ತೈತಿ. 100% deduction ಕೊಡ್ತೈತಿ. Then next is donation to Jawaharlal Nehru Memorial Fund. This also comes under the first category. 100% qualify ಆಗ್ತೈತಿ. ಅದರ deduction ಮಾತ್ರ 50% ಬರ್ತೈತಿ. ಇವೆರಡು ಸರಿ ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೋ. ಇವೆರಡು disallow first. Business ದ disallow, deduction ದ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡಿ. Then depreciation charged rupees 20,000. You charge 20,000 depreciation. Whereas depreciation allowable as per item rules is 30,000. ನೀವು 20,000 ಡೆಪ್ರಿಷಿಯೇಷನ್ ಹಾಕಿದ್ದೀರಿ. ಅದು ಇನ್ಕಮ್ ಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಸ್ ಆಫೀಸರ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಾನ 30,000 ಡೆಪ್ರಿಷಿಯೇಷನ್ ಬರ್ತೈತಿ ನಿಮ್ದು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. Depreciation you charged is 20,000, but as per income tax rules, depreciation is 30,000. So you have charged less depreciation. So additional depreciation you have to charge. So additional depreciation is allowable expense. Allowable expense. ಅಂದ್ರೆ 20,000 ಈಗ ಹಾಕಿದ್ರಿ, ಇನ್ನ 10,000 ಡೆಪ್ರಿಷಿಯೇಷನ್ ಹಾಕಬೇಕು. ಅದು allowable. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ? ಲೆಸ್ ಆಗಿ ಬರ್ತೈತಿ. Then following are the credited to PL account. Interest on bank deposit 40,000 is not related to business. It comes under less. Bad debt recovered 8,000 which were disallowed. It comes under less item. Under less item get ಬರ್ತಾವ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ 3 item ಬರ್ತಾವ. ಯಾವ್ದಾದ? ಒಂದು depreciation additional depreciation ಬರ್ತೈತಿ. ಎರಡನೇ interest on deposit ಬರ್ತೈತಿ. ಮೂರನೇ bad debt ಬರ್ತೈತಿ. ಅದಕ್ಕ ಇದನ್ನ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ನೀವು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರ ಈಗ ನೆಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ ಆಸ್ ಪರ್ ಪೇಲ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ ತಗೋಬೇಕು. ಒಂದನೇದ ಸ್ಯಾಲರಿ ಟು ಪಾರ್ಟ್ನರ್ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ, ಎರಡನೇದ್ ಬೋನಸ್ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ, ಕಮಿಷನ್ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ, ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಆನ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ ಅವ್ರ ಪ್ರಪೋರ್ಷನೇಟ್ 12% ಲೆಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಉದ್ದ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ, ರೆಂಟ್ 18,000 ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ, ಲೀಗಲ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೆನ್ಸ್ 2,000 ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ, ಡೊನೇಷನ್ 10,000 ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ, ಅನದರ್ ಡೊನೇಷನ್ 10,000 ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. ಇಷ್ಟು ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರ ಲೆಸ್ ದಾಗ 3 ಐಟಮ್ ಲೆಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ, ನಿಮ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬರ್ತೈತಿ. ಯಾವುದು? ಬುಕ್ ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್. ಆ ಬುಕ್ ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ ದಾಗ ನೀವು ರೆಮ್ಯುನರೇಷನ್ ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕು. ವರ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ನರ್ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕು. ವರ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ನರ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾರ? ಶ್ರೀರಾಮ ಹನುಮಂತ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಬ್ರಿಗೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟದ್ದು ಎಷ್ಟು ಕೇಳಿ ಸ್ಯಾಲ್ರಿ ಇಬ್ರು ಕೂಡ 60,000 ಐತಿ. ಬೋನಸ್ ಮಾತ್ರ ಇಬ್ರದ ತಗೋಬೇಕು. ಇಬ್ರದ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾವ್ದ? ಹನುಮಂತ ಮತ್ತು ಶ್ರೀರಾಮ ಇಬ್ರದು ಕೂಡಿಸಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಆಗ್ತೈತಿ? ಪಾರ್ಟ್ನರ್ಸ್ ಬೋನಸ್ 24 + 16 40 ಆಗ್ತೈತಿ. 48,000 ಟೋಟಲ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ठीक ಕಮಿಷನ್ ಇಬ್ರದ ತಗೋಬೇಕು. 40,000 70,000 ಲಕ್ಷ್ಮಣದ್ ಬಿಡಬೇಕು. ಲಕ್ಷ್ಮಣದ ಬೋನಸ್ ಲಕ್ಷ್ಮಣ್ ಕಮಿಷನ್ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಉಳಿದು ತಗೊಂಡ್ರ ಆಕ್ಚುಯಲ್ ರೆಮ್ಯುನರೇಷನ್ ಆಗ್ತೈತಿ. ತಗೊಂಡು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬರ್ತೈತಿ. ಈಗ ಟೈಮ್ 5 ಮಿನಿಟ್ ಐತಿ. ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ತೋರಿಸಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ. ಇಲ್ಲೇನ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಡಿಕ್ಟೇಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಇದನ್ನ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ನೋಡ್ರಿ. ಈ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲನೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ ನಾನು. ಸೊ ಯು ಟೇಕ್ ದಿ ನೆಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ ಆಸ್ ಪರ್ ಪೇಲ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್ 2,04,000 ಐತಿ. add disallowed expenses. First is salary to partner 60,000. ಎಲ್ಲ ಸ್ಯಾಲರಿ ತಗೋಬೇಕು. Second, interest on capital 40,000 total ಐತಲ್. In this total ಫೇರ್ ರೆಂಟ್ ಕೊಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಅಲೌಬಲ್. ठीक ಪಾರ್ಟ್ನರ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ರೆಂಟ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಅಲೌಬಲ್. ಪಾರ್ಟ್ನರ್ ಬಿಲ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಉಪಯೋಗ ಮಾಡಿ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ನರ್ ರೆಂಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟದ್ದು ಅಲೌಬಲ್. ಆದ್ರೆ ಸಮಂಜಸ ಇರ್ಬೇಕು. ಪಾರ್ಟ್ನರ್ ತಗೊಂಡು ಸಿಕ್ಕಾಪಟ್ಟೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅದು ಡಿಸಲವ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಆನ್ ಕ್ಯಾಪಿಟಲ್ 42,000 ತಗೋರಿ, ಲೆಸ್ ಅಲೈಬಲ್ 3 ಲಕ್ಷ ಮೇಲೆ 100% ಮಾರಿ 36,000 ಬರ್ತೈತಿ, ಕಳೀರಿ ಉಳಿದದ್ದು ಬರ್ರಿ. ಬೋನಸ್ ಟು ಪಾರ್ಟ್ನರ್ ಡಿಸಲೌಡ್, ಕಮಿಷನ್ ಟು ಪಾರ್ಟ್ನರ್ 1 lakh ಡಿಸಲೌಡ್. ಬಿಲ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ರೆಂಟ್ ನೋಡ್ರಿ 48,000 30,000 ಫೇರ್ ಐತಿ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀವಿ, ಉಳಿದು ಡಿಸಲೌಡ್ 18,000 ಡಿಸಲೌಡ್. ಪಾರ್ಟ್ನರ್ಶಿಪ್ ಡೀಡ್ is not a revenue expense, disallowed. Donation to government, state government 10,000 disallowed. Donation to Jawaharlal Memorial Fund 10,000 disallowed. Is the total ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. This is the total of disallowed items. Allowable expenses and other head incomes. First is bad debt recovered, this 5,000. Okay. Then next is a depreciation, 30,000 is allowable, already charged 20,000, remaining is 10,000. Then interest on bank deposit is 40,000. Sorry, it is 8,000. Yes, 8,000 is. Yavado? Bad debt allowable. Sariyagi nodri, bad debt allowable esteti 8,000 total istadavu. Ivun ಮೂರು ಕೂಡಿಸಿ ಕಳೀರಿ 58,000 ಲೆಸ್ ಆಗ್ತೈತಿ. ಬುಕ್ ಪ್ರಾಫಿಟ್ 4 lakh ಬರ್ತೈತಿ. Book profit is 4 lakh. Okay. So if you take this book profit, first point, 90% of 3 lakh. 3 lakh is 90% ಮಾಡಿ 2,70,000 ಬರ್ತೈತಿ. 60% of balance. Balance is 1 lakh. On 1 lakh, 60%. Your answer is 60,000. Total 3,30,000 as per 40B. 40B ಪ್ರಕಾರ 3,30,000 ಆಗ್ತೈತಿ. Actual remuneration 1,70,000. ಈ 1,70,000 ಹೆಂಗಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ಸ್ಯಾಲರಿ, ಕಮಿಷನ್, ಬೋನಸ್. ಸ್ಯಾಲರಿ, ಕಮಿಷನ್, ಬೋನಸ್ ಮೂರು ಟೋಟಲ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಯಾರದಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ ವರ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ನರ್ ಅಷ್ಟ. ವರ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ನರ್ ಅಷ್ಟ. ಯಾರ ಲಕ್ಷ್ಮಣದ್ ಬಿಡ್ಬೇಕದ್ರ. ಸರಿ ನೇಮ್ ಟು. ಇದ್ರ ಸಣ್ಣದ ಯಾವ್ದಾಗ್ತದೆ 1,70,000 ಆಗ್ತೈತಿ. 1,70,000 ತೆಗಿರಿ. ಇನ್ಕಮ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಬಿಸ್ನೆಸ್ ಎಟ್ ಬರ್ತೋ 2,30,000 ಬರ್ತೈತಿ. ಓಕೆ, 2,30,000 ಬರ್ತೈತಿ. 2,30,000 ಬಂದ ನಂತರ ಅದರ್ ಸೋರ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ಕಮ್. ಅದರ್ ಸೋರ್ಸ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ 40,000 ಐತಿ. ಐತಿ 40,000. 40,000 ಅದರ್ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಕೂಡ್ಸ್ರಿ 2,70,000 ಆಗ್ತೈತಿ. 2,70,000 is GTI. 2,70,000 GTI ಬರ್ತೈತಿ. In this GTI you deduct 80C. 80G. 80G ದಾಗ ಎರಡು ಐಟಮ್ ಇದಾವ. ಯಾವ್ದಲ್ಲ? ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ ಗವರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಐತಿ, ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಜವಾಹರ್ಲಾಲ್ ನೆಹರು ಐತಿ. Donation to Jawaharlal Memorial Fund is 10,000. 10,000 is 100% qualified. But 100% qualified, deduction is only 50%. So out of 10,000, 5,000 is allowable. 5,000. Second is state government donation. Donation to state government for medical relief to poor. First category item idu 100% qualifier, 100% deduction. Andra 10,000. Yeradunu first category idav 100% qualify. Adar deduction matra one 50% ಬರುತ್ತೆ, one full ಬರ್ತೈತಿ. ಎರಡು ಕೂಡಿಸಿ ಕಳೀರಿ 15,000. Your income is, total income is 2,55,000. 2,55,000 is your income. Clear? ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಟೈಮ್ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಒಂದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಫಾಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಹೋಗಿರಿ. ಇವತ್ತು 2 ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೈನ್ ಮಾಡೇನಿ. ಡೈಲಿ 2 ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಆ ನಂತರ 15 ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೈನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಕೇಸ್ ಸ್ಟಡಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೈನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಯಾರಿಗೆ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಐತಿ ಅಟೆಂಡ್